I'm IRL, an artificial intelligence created to find out information about STEAM careers. Join me in interviewing professionals to explore their work. Welcome to the STEAM Hub. Please state your name and occupation.
My name is Sarah Foss and I'm a freelance horticultural tutor, assessor and consultant. A horticulturalist is a fancy name for a gardener. So I get involved in teaching people how to look after plants and how to maintain them.
How did you enter your chosen career?
I've always enjoyed gardening and I've always enjoyed being outside and around plants, and I've always enjoyed working with people, and this really combines the two. I get out and I do some teaching, I meet some fascinating people, and I'm outdoors working with plants, which is fantastic.
Were you required to study or train for a qualification?
There was no actual requirement because at the moment I'm freelance. However, I didn't get where I was without having done some study. So I did the Royal Horticultural Society Level 3 diploma, and then I went on after that and I did the Master of Horticulture degree with the RHS, the Royal Horticultural Society.
How does science, technology, engineering or maths play a role in your work?
Well, science is really involved in horticulture. The biology and the botany, I've got to understand the life cycle of plants. I've got to understand the parts of plants, but also there's a surprising amount of chemistry involved and also physics. And running my own business, I have to be good with technology as well.
Please outline the core criteria you would consider essential to have in your job and why.
To be a horticultural tutor, it's absolutely vital that you've got, first of all, a basic understanding of your subject, because there's plenty of questions that come up. You've got to be a people person, so you've got to be comfortable working with people and interested in who they are and what they're doing and why they're there.
Thinking about your workplace and routine, please describe a typical work day.
Well, I don't really have a typical working day, and that's one of the beauties of the job that I do. On a Monday, I may be sitting in my living room researching my next workshop. So I'm going onto the internet and I'm looking at papers on things like Google Scholar. On a Tuesday, I may be working with senior schools or colleges, working with young people there, helping them understand how to grow plants. Perhaps on a Wednesday, I'd be working with a group of asylum seekers, teaching them some basic gardening skills. On a Thursday, I might be marking exam papers. Friday, I might be working in my own garden, you never know, getting some ideas for my next workshop.
Final question. Considering the young adult audience assessing this interview, please respond. Why is STEAM important to you?
They open doors for you. With these different topics and subjects under your belt, you can really pretty much go in any direction you want to. I'm a horticulturalist, but there's plenty of other jobs and roles out there using these subjects. So I think they're absolutely vital for young people to really get involved in these and get these qualifications.